Hello everybody, I'm Neil. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a video on just how you can post your covers on YouTube and gain money. So before I start talking too much, so let's get into the video. Hello guys, if this is your first time to visit my channel, please just hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I release my video. And let's get. Today I'm going to be give you a website on where you can post your cover songs, and it will directly post your covers on YouTube, and you'll be able to monetize it as you like. So in the description box below you will see the link to the website, and just hit it and let's go. The website is We Are The Hits. So we are the hit.com. You just visit the website, fill down the information, or answer all the questions they ask, and you're free to go. You just have to put things like your phone number, your email address, your name, username, street address, mailing address, any things of the sort, and you're free to post your cover songs and earn money, and there's no copyright claims. Like you cover somebody's songs and you got copyright claim the royalties of the video. This you just get paid immediately. And second website is Lander. Lander is similar to We Are The Hits, and the link is still down below in the description box, and all you have to do is click on the link in the description box and fill up the information and the question that they ask, and you're free to monetize your videos. Or you can still use the YouTube Content ID method, where you go to your channel, go to YouTube Studio and click on YouTube Content ID, and you're free to go. You just have to check out if you just have to enter the name of the artist and the title of the song. Search it if the artist has just sign any contract with YouTube. If somebody can cover the songs for free and gain money from it, make money from the covers, and all you have to do is just click on the link below and it will take you to Lander or We Are The Hits. And to go to YouTube Content ID, you just have to go to your channel and go to YouTube Content ID in the YouTube Studio, and that will be all for today. And if you like to grow on YouTube or have more subscribers, I recommend TubeBuddy, and the link is down below. You can download the TubeBuddy down in the link below, and you're free to have your subscribers and views on your videos. Just TubeBuddy is just an app that helps you get more views, more subscribers on YouTube, and the software some method sucks. Thank you guys for watching the video to the end. Just hit the subscribe button below and the bell icon so you get notified each time I release a new cover or a new YouTube growth advice. So just click on the link below.